Is it recording now?
It's recording.
Okay. Hey, this is Team Mission Edition. We're gonna be doing game 2. We'll do wind up versus Hieratics. This is Dragon.
Boom.
That's
Boom.
what you want to be called, Chris?
Phoenix.
Okay, yeah, that's Phoenix. Hey guys, look at my very sexy pull I just pulled today at my locals.
I was supposed to pull it, but the
But
guy gave it out differently, so
yeah,
I did not pull it.
so this thing's gonna be for trade if anybody wants it. Yeah,
You should trade it to Todd.
Very schmexy. I don't know, I was asking about it.
Do it.
Man,
Get some wind up stuff.
Or
you can get some Hieratic stuff from me.
Dude, I already have the complete wind up deck. Actually, I need like secret rabbits.
If you give me 2 ashes, then I'll trade for them. Hieratic steal from the ashes.
I need that box.
No. It's my box.
You're such a bitch. Okay, Nagoon, do you have a dice? There's one right over there by the TV.
There's one over there right by the bed. Well,
okay,
Nagoon.
Yeah, so we had sex. I mean, duel.
6. Ha! Shut my penis.
6.
Gay.
Let's sucker
5.
6.
6, 6, 6, you demon.
I'm gonna go first. Wait a minute. We're doing a match. You did choose to go first anyways, because you lost.
Oh. You go first then.
Okay, Nagoon, I have a horrible hand.
I have a horrible hand.
Set, go.
Heavy storm.
And I honestly have a truly horrible hand. Warning.
Hold up.
Oh, give me your iPod there. An iPhone.
An iPhone.
Oh, yeah. Green.
Okay, so that's 2,000 on you.
Yeah. My turn again?
Not yet. Set discard.
Okay.
MST that.
Okay.
Honest. Attack face down.
Kill honest.
Okay. Go.
During your end phase, MST.
Okay.
My turn?
Yeah.
Shit.
It's during my end phase, so yeah, of course it's your turn.
Go.
Dwa. Go.
I'm not gonna really help him. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take factory. Summon shark. Make my shark level 3. Factory. Search shark. Exceed. Carrier. Detach. On the summon of the magician. Triggering that magician. Shit. Damn it. There we go.
I'm just standing here like, yeah, my field is empty.
Yeah. Trigger magician.
Would it be inappropriate to say fuck you?
No, it would not, Chris McGinn. I'm about to kill you. I know how you do not run doors.
Gores, that's the most not powerful card in the Duel Monsters.
Even though you have 2 doors, you're not gonna, really...
I have 1 from Battle Pack, Represent Battle Pack, and 1 from Secret Rareness card, where Gores comes from.
Shark level 3, so... Oh, that's Chris McGreen. Oh, there's my Shockmaster. And, oh, let's get Giga Brilliant.
That's brilliant.
I attack you for 82.
Okay, 82.
100.
820.
No, Chris McGreen. Good game, Chris McGoolian.
That's not game, you're cheating.
I don't think it's not McGoolian.
I play Heavy Storm. It destroys all cards in the field that you control and in your deck. You lose.
Oh.
And it's a quick play spell card that I can play from my hand.
On
your turn.
That's a very good card. I wish I had that card.
You wish you did.
Oh, Chris McGoolian. Oh, seems like you're negative a few thousand there, Nagoolian.
seems like I'm positive a few over 9,000. Ha ha ha.
Oh, Crystal Green, you can turn off the video now, because windups win.
You know what'd be hilarious?
What?
To make a deck with like ultimate offering, 3 spring or reverse, and an honest.
So what you do is you go ultimate offering with gadgets.
No, that's gay. So you go honest, and then you summon it a bunch of times to return it to your hand, and spring or reverse gives you 500 life points each time it returns to your hand.
It's just like you're not gaining or losing anything, you're just like derping.
You're just getting 1,000 life points.
So I derp around until you scoop. Okay, Krista, you can go off the video now.
Okay.
So windups win 2-0.
Oh, they cheated because XYZs are black. I'm racist.